Hello. So, I haven't been posting anything musically or music related, whatever the term is, recently. But anyway, the reason being, I've been working on some things, and there's a lot of homework, and like entire sheets of chords to memorize. And then I'm getting into arpeggiated chords, learning how to do that, and I'm going to be working on the pentatonic scales again and getting those memorized, and hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to apply these to music, like songs and stuff. I guess it is already being applied to music, but the learning thereof. But anyway, these arpeggiated triads, they're called triads because they're comprised of 3 notes. So the F major triad that this is going to be, well, this would be F note right here, first fret on this lowest string here up top. So that's F, and then at fret 5 it is A. So this would be A, and then the third note in this triad is C. So that's on the A string. So the first two were on the E string, then A string, and then D string has F again right here as this fourth note. Pretty much it comes back to the root, which would be F for this F chord, which is a triad. It's a chord comprised of 3 notes. So arpeggiated, I'm playing the individual notes, which that's what an arpeggio is. An arpeggio is the individual notes of a chord, or plucked individually. So that would be. And so, while I'm doing this, my pick is doing something specific with these two. So that first note, I'm picking up. And then for the next 3, it's going to be moving down. And then here on the return, it's going to be moving up for the first 3 notes. And then down for the last. So when I start it again, the pick moves up and hits that first note. And then I move it down to get the rest. And then I move it up to get the first 3. And then on the last note, I move it down. So the pick returns back to its starting position. And then I can move through these quickly, even fluently. Sort of like a violinist using specific bowing directions in a song for making it fluent. So and then the F minor chord. So the first is F, the minor third. Basically, it's a flatted A flat, here on fret 4. And then we have C and F, just like before. And because the distance of my fingers is less, I am now using the third finger on the last 2 notes of that chord. So that is F minor. And then we have F diminished. So we have a flat 3 interval and a flat 5. And so the A flat here at fret 4, and then let's see, the C apparently is flat on fret 2 on A string, and then we have the F chord again as the 4th note of this. So last one is F augmented. So the interval here, 1, 3, 5. So the 5 is now sharp for this augmented chord. So it is C sharp. So it's going to be on the 4th fret of the A string. So F, A, C sharp, F, F, C sharp, A, F. And there's exercises that go with these, or that I'm working on, and so I'll be posting that in another video.